Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So we're just gonna hop right in it. So I am doing a style on my best friend's hair. So basically with this style, I take two locks and I twist them like I'm doing a two-strand twist. I'm taking a lock on the right side and I'm wrapping it around the hair that I just did a two-strand twist with. So after I wrap it around twice, I take a lock from the other side and do the same exact thing. Wrap it around the two-strand twist that I started with at first, and I just continue to do that process throughout her whole head while still holding the hair in the middle in place. So take the hair on the side, whatever lock is on the side, you take that and wrap it around the middle part twice. So the middle barrel that you're starting to form, take a lock from each side and wrap it around that barrel twice while still holding it in place. All right, y'all. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about her locks. So she has been on this lock natural journey for about 11 months. She was doing the natural hair before, but she decided to do locks, and I'm so happy that I am going on this journey with her. So we in this together. Like, I'm team just natural hair and she's team natural locks. So, and I'm just happy that she trusts me with her hair. So she's been doing this for 11 months, and don't worry, we're going to have a whole bunch of videos coming up on how to style and retwist and everything. I meant to do a video on how I retwisted her hair, but y'all, this was like last minute, so that's why the camera angle isn't great, but I still wanted to post this just so you could see how I did her barrel locks. And so while doing her barrel twist, we actually decided just to leave one lock out on the side because we just wanted a little bit of pizzazz. So you could do it however you like. So if you want to leave one lock out on the side, in the back, this style is very versatile, so you can do it however you like. All right, so I'm still doing the same process, and as you can see, I'm getting towards the end. So what I do is take her longest dread right there and wrap it back up around itself so that it's just not one long dread in the back. And so I take a rubber band and then I just put that in place so it won't move. And that is basically it. And I am just showing y'all how I retwist the other side of her hair. And y'all, I am so sorry. I know the angle of the camera is just not it, but trust me, next time I do her hair, we're gonna have all the angles right. You're gonna see the top of her head, side, back, front, middle, everything. So it will be in place. But I am just fast forwarding this part a little bit because my arm was all in the camera. But in a few seconds, you'll be able to see it better because my arm isn't up, and you'll be able to see better how I am styling her hair. So I know y'all probably want to know what we were talking about. So while I was doing her hair, we were watching Lovecraft Country. And y'all, that show, that show is absolutely crazy. Like, if y'all have watched that show, please comment down below so we can talk about it because it is crazy. But back to her hair. So as you can see, I am doing the same method. I started off with a 2-strand twist, and then I'm just taking a lock from either side and wrapping it around the middle barrel that is starting to form. Wrap it around twice, go to the other side, take a lock and wrap it around twice. That's basically what you're doing, is just taking a lock, wrapping it around the middle part twice, then taking from the other side a lock and then wrapping it around the middle part twice. But you just want to make sure that you have a good grip on the middle part so that it doesn't fall apart or get loose. So at the end again, I do the same thing I did on the other side. I take the longest piece that is hanging down and I just wrap it up around the barrel. And then once I have it all wrapped around, I just take a rubber band and just put that in place. And that is it, y'all. That is it. And I am just palm rolling the hair that I left out just to make sure it is nice and smooth and intact. And I am just going to lay her edges a little bit, and that's it. I would love to know what y'all would think. I would love to know if you know anyone who wants to start their lock journey, if they have any questions, if they want any videos requested, please just let me know. And this is the end result. I hope you guys liked the video. I want to thank my best friend for allowing me to record her and do her hair. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all on the next video.